Hello dear students, in this video I am going to discuss about measurement system. Let's see the definition of measurement system. A measurement system is a group of devices or elements arranged in a rational manner to achieve the act of measurement. Next, measurand or measured quantity. It is a numerical quantity of physical phenomenon such as force, quantity, displacement, time, velocity, etc. Then what is measurement? Measurement is a represent of physical phenomenon in numerical values. Generalized measurement system. Generally, a measurement system consists of three basic elements. They are first one sensors or transducer, next signal conditioner, and third one display or readout devices. In addition to the above, electrical power is also required. The block diagram of generalized measurement system. So this is the block diagram of generalized measurement system. See here, it consists sensor or transducer, and the sensor output or transducer output is given to the signal conditioner, power supply unit, display or readout device. Concept of measurement. For example, in the measurement, for example, you consider a speedometer. Here the input is cable rotation and output is speed of the vehicle. And in thermocouple, the input is heat and the output is in the form of temperature. Function of each element of a measurement system. Sensors or transducer unit. The heart of any measurement or control system is sensor or transducer. The word sensor and transducer are often used interchangeably, although the concepts are different. Transducers are the physical element which is a part of a sensor. In fact, a transducer is an essential element of a sensor. Sensor or transducer is a device. It converts the one form of energy into another form of. It converts one form of energy into another form. Sensor or transducer, it senses the physical phenomenon to be measured and transform it from one form to another form, generally electrical form. Transducers are mainly used to quantify the physical, electrical, fluidic and mechanical variables or parameters such as temperature, pressure, magnetic field, voltage, etc. Such variables or parameters can commonly called as measurants. Some measurants are acoustic field, velocity, voltage, etc. For the observation, quantification, measurement and manipulation of measurants, different types of transducers with different transduction principles are used. Example, the transducer that is used for the quantification of temperature parameter is different from a transducer that is employed for the detection of ultrasonic sound signal. For various applications, a variety of transducers with different transduction principles are designed and fabricated. The output of this unit is input to the signal conditioner, which is next element. The output of the sensor or transducer unit is given to the signal conditioner unit. Here the transducer, the input is in the one form and the output is the other form. For example, consider thermocouple. The input is in the form of heat and the output is in the form of voltage or EMF, electromotive force, that is in the form of electrical. In pressure gauge, input is pressure and output is displacement. Next unit is signal conditioner unit. This unit senses the output signal of a sensor and convert it into suitable measurable level of signal. An amplifier is act as a signal conditioner unit. So what is amplifier? Amplifier it strengthens the input signal for the further use. The following functions of signal conditioners are: first one, amplification of signal. The level of signals from the transducer may be of low level or a weak signal for the next use and hence need to be amplified or need to be increased. Next one is filtering. Filter is nothing but it allows the desired signal and blocks the unwanted signal. Unwanted signal is that is noise. Signals from the transducer may contain some other undesirable signals which need to be filtered or eliminated before it is used. Otherwise, a corrupt output will be generated. Next is analog to digital conversion. The signals from the transducer may be analog in nature, and if these signals were to be used as input to electronic system or computer system, they need to be converting to digital form. For example, because computer system uses only digital signals. Digital signals in the form of high or low or 0 or 1. So these transducers and sensors gives analog signal. We need to convert that analog signal into digital form for further use. Sometimes we also use digital to analog converter also. Next, display or readout unit. This is required. It displays the output of a signal conditioner unit, and this display will be quantitative form of measurement. Display unit may be either of analog, it is also either of analog or dial gauge, and digital or LED type. Next, example of measurement system. Digital thermometer principle. See here, it is a thermocouple, it senses the heat, and after that the signal is applied to the amplifier to strengthen the input signal, and after that signal is converted into digital form using analog to digital converter, and after that it is applied to the display to display the temperature. Thank you.